Hey guys, what's up? I'm on my way to our first slaughterhouse vigil. Bearing witness is really good because number one, it reignites your fire and passion and reminds you like what you're fighting for. Hold the phone still. It's just good to offer comfort to the animals because they're obviously scared, and animals are highly energetic beings that can feel energy. So even offering them their last, moments of their life with love and kindness, they will be able to feel and appreciate that. And it's good to let them go knowing that that not all humans are evil. And it's also good because it gives media attention.
Sometimes it's easy to not believe everything you see on the internet, and even though obviously it's real, it doesn't feel as real as it does when you're there in person.
We're walking to the slaughterhouse. We're literally just like,
crying.
We're so uncomfortable. Oh God, it's going to be really bad, really hard. But
we're not even there yet.
I know. See all the happy pigs? Literally oh man, fucking sick. This is how they trick you people.
Yeah.